My name's Grant Batty and today I'm making a pizza that tastes of spring. When I'm cooking with lamb, my choice of cut's always lamb shoulder because it falls off the bone and it's full of flavour. Slow cooked with herbs in a rich tomato sauce, then finally fired in an Ooni oven. This is an epic spring pizza.
I'm going to begin by making the slow cooked lamb shoulder. Start by finely slicing your rosemary, garlic and thyme. Place your herbs into a pestle and mortar along with some olive oil and salt and pepper. Grind together to make a smooth paste. Get involved, put the spoon down and make sure every part of the lamb is covered in these fragrant herbs. Slow cook the lamb for 3 hours at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. I've cooked my lamb in my kitchen oven at home. Using a spoon, remove the excess fat. Then add your chopped tomatoes, lamb stock and red wine. Give it a good stir, then return to the oven for 45 minutes and you'll be left with the most succulent lamb shoulder that's ready to fall off the bone and an incredibly rich sauce. Place this sauce into a bowl and allow it to cool. We're going to top this pizza with a super fresh mint sauce. To make this, finely slice your mint leaves and mix with granulated sugar and malt vinegar. It's super simple but packs a punch. Now it's time to fire up your oven. I'm cooking this pizza at my Karu 16 with a mix of lumpwood charcoal and dried oak. Now let's make some pizza. Place the dough ball on a lightly floured work surface, pushing the air from the centre of your dough ball out towards the edge with your fingers. Stretch the dough out to form a 12-inch base. I like to use the back of my hands to gently lift the dough and pull outwards. Place the tomato sauce in the centre of your pizza and spread evenly, leaving room at the edge for your crust. Top with mozzarella, lamb, and a generous sprinkling of parmesan. Slide the pizza into your oven and cook for 60 to 90 seconds. Once cooked, top generously with the mint sauce.
Cooking with lamb that's in season is a food highlight of the year. Got this rich tomato sauce, the lamb that's been slow cooked in herbs, and finally finished with this fresh mint sauce. This pizza is something special. For the full recipe, check it out on Ooni.com.